What's going on, guys? So with this video, I'm just gonna do a little bit on risk management. I want to explain how to manage your risk. I want to give you some tips to actually help you do more with your swing trade if that's the route you want to go, or maybe a little bit on scalps. But overall, I just want to talk about. Well, I'm just gonna say greed is the devil at trading. You don't want to come in greedy. I know when we see this opportunity, we see this as we're going to get fucking rich as hell, and that's the goal there. But don't let that cloud your judgment, and don't let that kind of judgment blow your account. You want to take smart trades, and at the same time, we don't want to come into off the demo. We don't want to trade demos with like high lot sizes. Like that's what I did when I actually started Forex. It was a big mistake of mine because I jumped in. I was always doing like dollar lots, $2 lots, and I didn't really. And when I got onto my live account finally, I was kind of confused as hell because I had to do 1 cent, 5 cents, up to about 15 cents. Yeah, I grew my account a little bit, but it was confusing because I wasn't used to those smaller lot sizes, so I couldn't really anticipate when I should jump out of my trades as well. I mean, I knew when to, but it bugged me because I wasn't on the really big stuff yet. And the greed was, it actually got to me. And that was the number one way I actually blew my account. So, yeah, patience, greed, and not practicing with the smaller stuff. It'll really affect your trading if you don't do it right. So right after I won it, yeah, it was an experience. I gained $200 and then I just lost it all because I was being a greedy fuck. But after I learned from that experience, I practiced another month. I studied a little bit more, and then I started getting good results. But yeah, yesterday I took a trade. I want to speak on the fluctuations as well. Like another reason why you don't want to be in like $100 or $200 account and it go bad on you. So I jumped in this trade about right here. It went down, came back, tapped the line again, then it went up again. I took my profit at about here. Last night it dropped down. Actually, probably early this morning it took a nosedive. I knew it was gonna drop. I didn't think it would tank like this. So I jumped in the trade at about, yeah, right about here. So what if I was a swing trader, or yeah, big time swing trader, or I just jumped in for a scalp. I wanted a quick scalp or something, and I didn't think it would go like way down here. Like, okay, this is about the same length, about the same length. Well, a little bit longer, but I jumped in with my standard lot I had to buy. If I only had $100 in this account, I think my internet is just being slow. Alright. If I had $100, $200 account, if it dropped all the way here, yeah, I already blew it. And you see how fast it's dropping. So you kind of catch my drift now. You would have blown your account like 10 times over by now, just because of that drop right there. It came down. Now it's on the rise. It consolidated a little bit, but it's on the rise. That's not what we want you to deal with. We want you to consistently make money here. So to actually help you do that, we recommend you starting off with smaller lot sizes, especially if you're just getting off the demo. I would recommend you starting off with 1 cent lots. Some traders, they'll say 1 cent if you have 100, 2 cent if you have 200, 3 cent if you have 300, etc. But honestly, I just say go anywhere between 1 cent. If you just started, go a couple weeks with 1 cent, but after that, I say 1 cent to 5 cents, depending on where you're at, your skill level, how comfortable you are. So at 1 cent, if it went negative from there, it'd be about 3.89. Yeah, it fluctuates from there. It didn't blow your account. You have a $100 account, and it went back, and it's going positive and making you money. So you made about $6 right here. That's what I anticipated going. About right here is my take profit. If I went with a 5 cent lot, okay, just close out. It would be negative 20 at first, but it would go up and positive $30 from that point there. Yeah, that's easy swing trading. Down, up. And another method that I would recommend, so say you started, instead of just sticking with one big lot, you can have multiple. So figure out, do your analysis, have multiple take profit points. Like personally, I see it going here, and then that's equivalent to a second lot. So let's see, it's higher, so spread that from there. I anticipate that one going here, and I will probably make a third one hopefully that's the right one. No, that wasn't the right one, but I'll just grab one of the other ones. It's demo anyways. But yeah, it would take this one, I'd make about $6. That one about $13.71, and my final TP, I ultimately see it going at about right here. 1 cent, that would have brought you to $38.91. Your goal at this point is to grow your account. You want to consistently grow it. That way you can actually make bigger investments. So we want to minimize risk. So that means starting off small until you can make the big numbers. If you see a perfect opportunity though, hey, go ahead, have at it. But at this point, we don't want you to risk your entire account. I say grow your account 5% a day or more if you can do that. But never risk your entire account. Also, another thing you can do, once it hits that take profit point or goes up 25 pips, you can actually create a stop loss, put it up to your break even point. On your phone, you would have to type it in manually. Probably have to draw a horizontal line and figure out your points from here, but set that break even point. That way you never lose. We don't want you to lose money. We want you to keep making money. So, and I don't know why that's not there. Actually, I gotta move all this stuff now, because that's gonna bug me. But But yeah, that's risk management. We pretty much just trying to make money at this point. But if you have any more questions, feel free to ask. Go ahead and comment below or click the link in the description and add me on Facebook. Also, like this video if you found this helpful.